What's good, YouTube? So today we got a nice install video here. We got a EOS exhaust system for the 2024 WRX over here that we're going to be installing today. Went with the titanium tips here. So you see here, very nice, clean 4-inch pipes around. It's a very simple install. You know, just 2 bolts on the back and put the new housing and all that stuff on there, and said hopefully it's gonna be a new good sound on it. Heard a lot of good things about these. Saw a couple of videos. Sounded really good. Had very little drone, so wanna test it out for ourselves. So just some tools that you need for the install. Pretty simple. Got the wrenches here. It's a 5/8 bolt for it. It does come with its own hardware that you will use to replace the old hardware that's in there. So we'll come with another bolt and washer. Will come with its own set of gaskets that you'll put in there to just ensure the safety of the exhaust and make sure there's no leaks and all that stuff. As you can see, we got the stock one off now. It is an enormous just piece of metal, as you can see, compared to this one. Super skinny, very lightweight. So we'll be definitely shedding a handful of pounds off by putting this new one on. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the other one off and then put both of these on and see how it sounds. As you can see, we got both exhausts off, or both mufflers on, got the new ones on. Look very good. I like the accent of the blue, of how it contacts with the blue on the car and all that. Took a little bit longer to install than expected, but I mean, we got it on secure and tight and all that. So we'll go ahead and start it up, see how it sounds, give it a couple revs, and go from there. much it for the video here. As you can see, it does sound a lot better. We'll include some clips at the end of me like dropping back and forth on the street right here, so you guys can hear more driving. We'll upload the video later of kind of like some POV driving, let you guys hear how it sounds on the inside, things like that. As far as next things we're doing with the car, obviously I'm gonna get windows tinted. I have a kind of like a roof spoiler to get installed for it. I got some rain guards getting installed. Definitely want to do lowering springs, new set of wheels. I have the STI style wing that they put on the Japanese models on the way, so just waiting for that to come in. It's already paint matched and everything. Eventually want to do the paint match bumper and the obviously the side panels and everything. As far as things that I've done to the interior of the car, I've done much. I have a red shift knob. I don't know if you can see in there right now, but red shift knob, carbon fiber on the shift boot, carbon fiber around the infotainment center and on the panel over there. So just some slight things, but got some good plans in store. You know, spring, summer's coming up, parts starting to come in, you know, tax refund checks come in, things like that. So got some fun plans for the car moving forward. You guys didn't see it in this video, but I also have a M3, E93 M3 that we'll be working on. Had some parts and stuff coming in for that, so you'll see videos on both cars here pretty soon. But without further ado, that's it. See you guys in the next video.